Welcome to NPM Tech. Construction technologies that have reached a new level. Solar Stack. Solar Stack is a new adhesive-based solar panel mounting system that avoids all roof penetrations while meeting the strictest building codes in North America. If you have been looking for a safe but sturdy way to install solar panels without drilling through your roof, you just found it with Solar Stack. Simply spray the polyurethane foam adhesive directly onto the roof membrane, press the Solar Stack mount down onto it, and repeat. No mechanical attachments or ballast systems and no roof penetrations required. If this sounds quick and simple, it is. 150 mounts can be installed in just 15 minutes. The adhesive foam cures in just 30 minutes, and after that, panels can be attached to the mounts using standard module clamps. But what about humidity? Will that slow down the cure time? Not at all. This is just one of many reasons Solar Stack is an ideal solar panel roof mounting system for hurricane-prone areas like Florida and Puerto Rico. Delta Beam Slim Floor Structure. Pico's Delta Beam Slim Floor Structure is a flexible solution always tailored to the customer's needs. It enables slender and light structural solutions that provide savings in terms of volume and costs. Its composite action between steel and concrete allows for creative structures with large open spaces. Delta Beam has excellent fire resistance without any additional protection. Its shallow design decreases a building's floor-to-floor height while eliminating conflicts with HVAC systems. Delta Beam can be connected to concrete, steel, or composite columns by using Pico's innovative solutions, such as hidden corbels, anchor bolts, or welding plates. Passive fire protection. Passive fire protection is components or systems of a building or structure that slows or impedes the spread of the effects of fire or smoke without system activation, and usually without movement. Examples of passive systems include floor ceilings and roofs, fire doors, windows, and wall assemblies, fire-resistant coating, and other fire and smoke control assemblies. Passive fire protection systems can include active components such as fire dampers. Betonamid. Betonamid is an explosion-free demolition agent which enables relatively accurate demolitions without the need for special conditions or equipment. It has a very good shelf life of at least 3 years. After a reaction time of only a few hours, Betonamid develops an enormous expansion pressure, which is soon so powerful that every hard rock and even reinforced concrete is broken apart. Compared to other conventional demolition methods, Betonamid works virtually silently, vibration-free, and environmentally friendly. Playwood's Furniture. Created by a team of designers in Italy, Playwood is a simple connector that allows you to create your own modular furniture. You can use Playwood to set up your co-working space, your temporary shop, your art show, and much more. The only limit is your fantasy. Like a Lego for wood, you can build, destroy, and rebuild again everything you need for your office, your garden, or your house. You can just focus on the design, easily disassemble your creations for storage or moving needs. Recycle old projects into new ones. Thank you, and don't forget subscribe, like, and share.